Canada PR denied instantly, no warning. Applying for Canadian permanent residency is a significant step toward building a future in Canada, but many applicants are shocked to find their PR applications rejected without prior warning. Understanding the hidden pitfalls and strict criteria is essential to avoid sudden denial. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Dreaming of becoming a Canadian permanent resident? Canada's a land of opportunity, but the PR process can be tricky. Every year, thousands of applications get rejected for reasons that could have been avoided. We'll uncover the top reasons your Canada PR application might be rejected without warning and share practical tips to boost your chances of success. 1. Why PR applications get rejected. Let's dive into the top reasons why Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada might reject your PR application. Knowing these can save you time, money, and heartache. Misrepresentation. Misrepresentation happens when you provide false or misleading information, even by accident. This could be not disclosing a past visa refusal, faking job experience, or omitting a family member. IRCC takes this seriously, and it can lead to a 5-year ban from applying. Always double-check your application for accuracy. Incomplete or missing documents. IRCC provides a detailed checklist for documents like police certificates, proof of funds, or educational credentials. Missing even one can lead to rejection. For example, using an outdated police certificate or not submitting bank statements can stop your application in its tracks. Medical inadmissibility. Canada requires a medical exam by an approved doctor. Conditions like diabetes or hepatitis might flag your application as a potential burden on the healthcare system. However, you can counter this with a specialist's report showing your condition is manageable. Criminal inadmissibility. A criminal record, even for minor offenses like traffic violations, can lead to rejection if not disclosed properly. Be honest about your history, as IRCC conducts thorough background checks. Not meeting eligibility requirements. Canada has over 60 immigration programs, each with specific criteria like age, education, or work experience. Applying to a program you're not eligible for is a common mistake. Always check the requirements on the official IRCC website. Missed deadlines. IRCC sets strict deadlines for submitting forms or documents. Missing one can lead to an automatic rejection. Plan ahead and keep a calendar for all deadlines. Insufficient proof of funds. You need to show you can support yourself and your family in Canada. For 2025, the minimum for one person is $15,263 Canadian dollars under express entry. If your bank statements don't meet the threshold, your application could be rejected. 2. Recent case examples. Let's look at some real-world examples from recent cases to understand these pitfalls. Case 1, Misrepresentation. An applicant forgot to mention a previous U.S. visa refusal. IRCC flagged this as misrepresentation, leading to a rejection and a 2-year ban. Always disclose past visa refusals, even for other countries. Case 2, Incomplete application. Another applicant submitted an express entry application but used an expired language test score. Their application was cancelled because the test wasn't valid at the time of submission. Make sure your language tests, like IELTS, are valid for 2 years from the test date. Case 3, Medical concerns. Someone with a chronic condition didn't provide a specialist's report. IRCC deemed them a potential healthcare burden, but they successfully appealed with proper medical documentation. 3. How to avoid rejection. Let's talk about how to avoid these issues and strengthen your application. Double-check documents. Use IRCC's official checklist and gather all documents before applying. Keep copies and track submission dates. Be honest. Disclose all information, including criminal history or visa refusals. Transparency is key to avoiding misrepresentation. Stay updated. IRCC rules change frequently. For 2025, PR targets are lower at 395,000, so competition is fierce. Check the IRCC website for updates. Meet deadlines. Set reminders for deadlines and submit early to avoid last-minute issues. Prepare financial proof. Ensure your bank statements meet the required amount and are recent. For express entry, this was updated in July 2025. 4. What to do if your application is rejected. Received a refusal letter? Don't panic. Here's what you can do. Review the refusal letter. It'll outline why your application was rejected. If it's vague, request detailed notes through an Access to Information request under the Privacy Act. Appeal or reapply. For in-Canada refusals, file a judicial review with the federal court within 15 days. For outside Canada, you have 60 days. The court won't grant PR but can order IRCC to reprocess your file. For family sponsorships, appeal to the Immigration Appeal Division if there's an error or humanitarian grounds. To protect your chances of approval, it's crucial to stay informed, double-check every document, and meet all eligibility requirements. A single oversight could cost you your dream of living in Canada permanently. That is all for today, in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.